Importance of changing air filter and when to change. Regularly changing your air filter is crucial for maintaining good indoor air quality, improving energy efficiency, and prolonging the life of your HVAC unit. Dirty air filters require more energy to move air through your system, resulting in more frequent HVAC usage and strain on its components. Clean air filters allow for better temperature control and efficient air circulation. The recommended lifespan of air filters varies depending on their type, with fiberglass filters requiring monthly replacements, pleated 1-inch filters requiring replacement every 90 days, and 4 to 5-inch filters needing replacement every 6 to 12 months. Factors like allergies and asthma, pet ownership, home size, outdoor air quality, and indoor renovations can lead to more frequent filter replacements. Regular visual inspections of the air filter are recommended to determine if a replacement is necessary. Explore our selection of air filtration products at freudenbergfilter.com.